In the last session, we had seen creating patterns, and right now we will see how we can edit the existing polygon. Means I will create a polygon here, and now I will go and create the other sketch entities required for my profile, and I will apply all this. Once I applied all this, my intention is, once I complete this, I feel this this polygon should have only 3 sides. Can I select this and edit? No, we don't have option here. What you can do is select this polygon, go to tools, sketch tools, you have edit polygon, and once again you can reduce the number of sides here, and you can see. And now let's see the reflection over on this polygon. And this is how you can edit a polygon. And this is one example of editing polygon. The next topic is, let's see how we can create sketch picture in SolidWorks. That is how we can do reverse engineering in SolidWorks. To do this, first one you need to do is go to tools, and here you have in add-ins you have to activate this auto trace. Once you activate this auto trace, you will be able to trace the existing sketch. Once you go into any plane, any working plane, go to tools, sketch tools. Here we have sketch picture, and I will select this print front view. It is front view of a car. I'll place it on this plane, and you can control the image clarity here using full image transparency. You can control, or you can make it as a none, or you can go to user defined and you can choose the matching tolerance, that is transparency, color, what do you need, you can control here. And this is flipping the direction of this. If required, you can change this, and once again the direction how you want to locate this. And once you complete this, click this next button. You will be able to see lot of options available to trace this image. First, you can control the image brightness so that it will be easy for you to trace the sketch. You can control the image contrast. You can make it as high and you can make it as low, what you required, color tolerance. And once you complete all this, here we have different type of selection methods. Select rectangular area, and then freehand area, and we have polygon areas. Now what I will do is I will go and say this shape has to be extracted. I'll go and say use select areas, and I will choose a window over here, and I'll say begin to trace. Now let's see the difference here. Oh, it has created on the existing sketch, it has traced some entities. Now click OK here, and when you exit this, you'll be able to see the sketch. Now let's hide the sketch, and I'll go and hide the sketch, and let's see the sketch traced over the picture. And using this picture, you can once again extrude using the commands available in SolidWorks environment. This is what sketch picture. This is one type of converting the existing images, pictures into the real models. And there is one more approach we can see here, that is creating a sketch on the picture itself. What I will do is I will once again have the sketch, and here I would like to say I need to create a sketch by just tracing over the. I will go and say next. Here you select, here I can cancel this, and you can very well go to the spline command, and you can just draw over this spline. Select this plane, front plane I have to select. Here I can go and use exactly, I can focus this and I can draw over this profile. This will avoid the process involved in assuming something and creating something. This will give you an overall view on the design of any component. Similarly, you can create number of models in SolidWorks using this auto trace and also using sketch picture. The next topic, Check sketch for future.